One sunny afternoon, Ralph noticed that Harley was nowhere to be found in the house or the backyard. Concern crept into his heart, and he called out Harley's name, anxiously scanning the horizon. It didn't take long for his worries to lead him to the nearby lake. The moment Ralph reached the shore, he saw a heartwarming sight that he would never forget. There, in the middle of the vast lake, Harley was swimming. But he wasn't alone. He was accompanied by something small and fragile. It was the strangest thing, Ralph later recounted. "I thought I'd find Harley swimming on his own, but when I finally saw him, he wasn't alone. He was swimming with someone from the middle of the lake." As Ralph strained his eyes, he realized that Harley was not swimming with another dog or any creature he recognized. It was a fawn, a baby deer, its tiny legs struggling to stay afloat in the deep water. The poor thing was exhausted, gasping for breath as it fought to keep its head above the surface. Harley had spotted the fawn in distress, and his innate sense of compassion had kicked in. He couldn't stand by while another living being needed help. The fawn had been stranded in the middle of the lake, unable to make it back to shore. Without Harley's timely intervention, the outcome could have been tragic. With gentle determination, Harley swam towards the struggling fawn. He nuzzled the baby deer, offering comfort and reassurance, as if to say, "Don't worry, little one, I've got you." The fawn, clearly grateful for this unexpected lifeline, allowed Harley to guide it towards the safety of the shore. It was a painstaking journey, but Harley's unwavering dedication and the fawn's survival instincts prevailed. Slowly but surely, they made their way back to land. The onlookers watched in awe as Harley, with the fawn in tow, finally reached the shore. Cheers and applause erupted from those who had gathered to witness this remarkable rescue. Harley, a retired certified therapy dog who had once brought comfort to the elderly, had once again shown that the desire to help was deeply ingrained in his nature. His heroic act had not only saved a young life but had touched the hearts of everyone who witnessed it. After the rescue, Ralph and Pat helped the fawn and Harley dry off.